Everyone, welcome back to Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to resize your eyes on CapCut apps. Now let's get started. First, open your CapCut and click a new project. Add the video that you want to edit. This one. Click add at the bottom. Now I will show you this is the original eyes like this, but in here I wanna resize this eye, so just click on the video and then at the menu you can swipe until you can see and change this one. Click on it and click on the face and in here you can click on the big eyes. After this, you can swipe this button like this and you can see these eyes like this. Yes, after you resize the eyes, you can click check icon at the bottom and finish. So that how to resize your eyes on CapCut apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Happy editing guys. Bye bye.